How to make a wavy text animation After Effects. This is really easy to do. First you need to make a composition. And then we need to use the type tool. You can use the type tool with the shortcut Ctrl T. You can also make the text even smaller. Press and type now the text what you want. So go now to the effects and presets and search for the wave warp effect. Put now the wave warp effect on the text layer. Change now the wave high value to 25 and change the wave wide value to 500. Now hold down the Alt key and click on the face keyframe icon. Type here time asterisk 500. Copy and paste now 2 times the text layer. Use Ctrl C for copy and use the shortcut Ctrl V for paste the text. Now put one text layer above and the other below the main text. Hold down Shift to move it more easily. There we go, you have now made a wavy text animation. This is all what you need to know. Thanks for watching this video. Subscribe if you want more tutorials like this.